precious child, and no mother's love could ever. Thomas.
Hello everybody. As you can see, we had our first blizzard this past Saturday. We got about 3 inches. Just enough to create a headache for a lot of people. But that's the way it goes here in the South. You gotta have the obligatory once or twice a year. We get snow, we get ice. That's just common here in Liberty, South Carolina. It looks so pretty. But I'm not a snowman. I'd rather be at the beach. Eat some calamari, fish, shrimp, octopus, you name it. I love it. At least we didn't lose the power. That was a good thing. All right, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Shout out to my people at the PO. I hope everybody's doing okay over there. Reporting live from Liberty, South Carolina.